Everybody likes to have more of a good thing. That's why we're here to talk about the O that keeps on coming. There are many types of orgasms, and any combination can be mixed together. You might start with a nipple orgasm and move on to a clitoral, GSpot, cervical, or anal orgasm immediately afterwards. What we know to be the nipple is in fact made of 3 interconnected parts: the nipple itself, the sulcus, and the areola. Tons of nerve endings are ready to be ignited in this area. In fact, all chest, regardless of gender and size, have the same exact amount of nerve endings. No one will be left out. So how do these mini pointers hold so much orgasmic potential? Well, science has it that nipple play can activate the very same regions of the brain as the clitoral or G-spot stimulation. That's a pretty helpful shortcut, right? It's mostly down to the body's release of love hormones, otherwise known as oxytocin. This is the clever chemical responsible for earth-shattering orgasms. This seemingly tiny bit of biology is a big deal. In fact, science says that up to 90% can't get off without touching it. Most people know about the part of the clit on the outside of the body, just above the urethra. But did you know that this little nub is connected to its own incredible internal network? In some people, this sultry organ can be up to 9 centimeters long. During arousal, it fills with blood and hardens just like a penis. It can feel absolutely incredible. This is because the clit contains around 8,000 nerve endings, twice as many as most penises. The G-spot is an area of tissue packed with pleasurable nerve endings. It's located about a finger's length inside the vagina along its front wall. The G-spot's exact location differs for everyone. You can generally find it by feeling around for an area with a walnut-like texture. If that unmistakable "oh" feeling pops up, you're in the right place. It's a common misconception that stimulating the G-spot alone should be enough. The reality is that most vulva owners need some level of clitoral stimulation to climax. The cervix is located at the end of the vaginal canal and acts like a gate leading to the uterus. You can find it by reaching a finger deep inside the vagina and feeling around for a donut-shaped structure. Cervical play is about stimulating the sensitive area rather than prodding it. It's important to handle this with the right sensual techniques to avoid discomfort. The anus passes through the pelvic floor and is made up of not 1, but 2 sphincters. These rings of muscle are covered in thousands of nerve endings, which can make stimulation feel fantastic. It's also right next to the vagina and legs of the clitoris. By indirectly stimulating these areas, you can open up a whole new path to pleasure. Try mixing different kinds of stimulation to find out what works for you.